When learning Arabic, I think it's important to learn, when you're learning the nouns, it's important to learn the singular and plural because this helps a lot with counting. And then Arabic also has a dual form when two things are being counted. It helps when learning, especially when you're learning numbers like numbers 3 to 10, the thing that is being counted has to be the plural form of the word. So, example, if you're counting pens, قلم, that's a pen. But to say 3 pens, you would have to use the plural word for it. And it is أقلام. Then this is the plural. Then two things are not, they have a different category. Or in Arabic, you don't just, there's no pen like pen and pens, even if it's a million pens, no. There's the singular, then there's a dual form when you're counting two things. Usually it has an ani, alif and a noon at the end of it. And then a plural, you can have their sound plurals, and then there's something called the broken plurals. All this is covered in videos that I've been learning, which I will put a link to for you to get a better understanding and explanation from people who actually know. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.